Welcome man to alphamantraining.com.
Includes, okay, public place. Let's go more to private place.
You can see that.
Yeah, and we can see clearly because of this light. I can see clearly.
Same day lay or it's a day or two later, that's, you know, it's the same thing to me. But it's just that I'm able to go out on my own in the daytime and approach women and kind of know what I'm doing.
We are in the lake with a name Shilo. It's in Lithuania, Vilnius, and in this video I would like to share our client success story. A client is from Germany and he was thinking move to Vilnius to live. Why? Because he was not happy with relationships in Germany, especially with women. So he was thinking to go to Vilnius and meet some beautiful women and who knows, maybe take for a long-term relationship. And he wrote us that he would like to do training and also before that to buy some products to prepare. And we noticed that he has a really good mindset. And we said him that before moving to Vilnius, you should prepare. So the first thing, we recommend you to read our book, pick up online training courses, learn how to dance, learn also from approach to sex, watch those videos like DVDs and read our book. And then once you will feel prepared for approaching women and you will feel oh, I have a knowledge, I have a system, then go, because once you will be in another country you will feel I don't know anyone here, I don't know no one, how I can get results. So he prepared with our products and we met him in airport and we did 4 days boot camp, and on second day he met his dream woman. And when he started to date here and started to live with her, they rented together an apartment here in Vilnius, and now he's living with her. And he's so thankful for us that he said oh my God, it was the best decision what I did in my life. And now he's living with her and he's building a business because a female support, she helps to cook, to clean an apartment, she motivates him, he gets regular sex, and he feels good, just someone touch you, and just in general he feels really good, really happy, and he can focus full in business. What he does with business, he is having 3 Lithuanian people who work for him. He has an IT consulting company. He established IT company, and 3 Lithuanian people started to work for him. One person, I think he's from Poland. I don't know, but he built a company because in that way he can stay in Lithuania for how much he wants, because he helps for 3 people, he gives work, and then they allow him to stay not limited time in Lithuania. Of course it's some visa, but it's not he stays for 3 months and he needs to go to fly back to Germany. No, he can stay. He built up a business. He built an IT company. Works, 3 people for him, but for him is enough. It's enough, and he is expanding step after step. For a little bit, he is expanding. And that's his story. He came, he didn't have a company, he didn't have, he just had his money, what he earned in Germany, and he wanted to change his life completely. He wanted to meet a new woman, and he found beautiful women here in Lithuania. He started to live with her. She supported him, and he built a company. That company, Lithuanian government lets him to stay in Lithuania because he created free workplaces, and now he's really happy. He has his own small business, and he has very beautiful, very amazing women, and he's really thankful for us. So we wanted to share this amazing success story with you, man. So make sure you subscribe our channel of alphamantraining.com, and write us a letter to info@alphamantraining.com. Read our book, How to Become an Alpha Man. Learn pick up techniques, because you will need to learn how to approach women. You will need that in your life. That client, he said, without those skills, I cannot meet them through online dating, because I registered through some websites, and it's like those women are fake. You go, you meet them, and it's like you like them through photos, but when you go in the reality, you see them and you feel that you don't like them. So that approaching women during the day is the best thing what you can do. And by the way, that woman he approached in the mall, she was shopping by herself. He used AMT techniques. He also used dancing techniques. He attracted her. He was looking really good, and he made instant date. And when he pulled her on the first date to home, had sex, he seduced her, and then they started to date each other. And we are not sure. We need to ask, but maybe the relationship status, he may be married here. We are not sure. So, but this is an amazing story. So invest into our products, build your future, and who knows, maybe change a country if you want, or use those techniques and approach women in your country, build relationships, because you cannot imagine how your life will change if you will have a right woman for you, if you will start to live with her, if you will start to have regular sex. You will feel so amazing when you will want to concentrate just on business and expand business. You cannot expand business or build some business if you don't have the right women, if you need to approach women, go get laid, and so on. You need to work on that. And on September 19, prices of all products jumps 5 times. So be really fast, make decision now, purchase all products. We recommend for you to purchase all products. You can go to alphamantraining.com, click products, and then it's all products. We're all products, and you get for the better price. Now it's the best price that you can get. So get those all products, invest, and then consult with us, and we will give you all the information, which country you can open, how you can prepare, and how we can help you to achieve your success. So thank you for watching. It was alphamantraining.com, and until next time, bye.